How to extract data from PDFs automatically, no manual typing, still copying information from PDFs by hand. Imagine extracting names, invoices, receipts, contracts, or customer data automatically, in seconds, without typing a single word. In this video, I'll show you how PDF data extraction works and how you can automate it using modern no-code tools. Let's get started. Businesses receive hundreds of PDF documents every week. Invoices, purchase orders, receipts, contracts, application forms, bank statements, and reports all contain valuable information. Manually copying that data is slow, repetitive, and prone to mistakes. Fortunately, automation can do the work for you. What is PDF data extraction? PDF data extraction is the process of automatically reading information from PDF files and converting it into structured data. Instead of manually typing information into spreadsheets or databases, automation tools identify the relevant fields and transfer them to your preferred system. This can save hours of repetitive work. What types of PDFs can be processed? Modern automation tools can work with many document types, including invoices, receipts, contracts, purchase orders, delivery notes, bank statements, insurance forms, tax documents, registration forms, business reports. Some tools can even process scanned PDFs using optical character recognition, also known as OCR. Step 1. Upload the PDF. Every workflow starts with a PDF. The file can arrive from email, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, a website upload, a customer portal. As soon as the document is received, the automation workflow begins. Step 2. Extract the data automatically. The automation software scans the document and identifies important information such as customer name, invoice number, date, company name, products, quantities, total amount, email address. You choose which fields you want to extract based on your business needs. Step 3. Send the data where you need it. Once the information has been extracted, it can automatically be sent to Google Sheets, Airtable, Excel, CRM software, accounting systems, databases, email platforms, project management tools. This eliminates repetitive data entry and helps keep records up to date. Step 4. Trigger additional automations. Data extraction is just the beginning. Once the information is available, your workflow can automatically generate invoices, send confirmation emails, update customer records, notify your team, create reports, archive documents, start approval workflows. Automation connects multiple business processes together. Real-world examples. Here are a few practical use cases. An accounting firm automatically extracts invoice details into bookkeeping software. A logistics company processes shipping documents without manual entry. An HR department imports job application information into its recruitment system. A sales team captures customer information from contracts and updates its CRM instantly. Common mistakes to avoid. When building your workflow, avoid these common issues. Using poor quality scanned documents. Forgetting to test field mapping. Not validating extracted data. Ignoring OCR settings for scanned PDFs. Failing to handle missing or incomplete information. Testing your workflow with different document layouts helps improve reliability. Why businesses are automating PDF processing. 1080-1170 seconds. Manual document processing is time-consuming and difficult to scale. Automating PDF data extraction helps businesses save time, reduce manual errors, improve accuracy, speed up operations, increase productivity, focus employees on higher value work. It's one of the most practical ways to streamline document-heavy workflows. Automatically extracting data from PDFs is no longer limited to large enterprises. With today's automation tools, businesses of all sizes can process documents faster, reduce repetitive tasks, and build more efficient workflows. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, accountant, or operations manager, PDF automation can help simplify your daily work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on AI automation. PDF workflows, OCR, N8N, Zapier, no-code tools, and business automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.